Hello everyone, this is Dr. Chung. Alright, this is Thursday module 1. Today we're going to do even numbered questions. Okay, now let's get started. This is number 2, module 1. A spotty plant, initially 50 inches tall, is experiencing a decreasing. Okay, here is a keyword. Initially 50 inches and experience the decrease in height due to environmental stress. Okay, decrease. That's the second keyword. Third one is explain this. Okay, how much decreased? 2 inches decrease. So every month. Okay, this number rule this way every month from the data, right? From previous months always. Okay, so previous months always equals constant decrease. That forms the linear, right? If this is percent increasing or decreasing, that is always an exponential function, okay? But constant, some number k decreasing or increasing always forms a linear, okay? Increasing, that is increasing, okay? All right, so this times constant quantity decrease, that is a decreasing linear, right? Choice speech density. Remember, percent increasing or decreasing always exponential, okay? Here is number 4. Okay, now let's find the keyword. Okay, so basically, mobile phone company provide a data plan. Okay, a base fee is $15 per month and charges what 10 cents for every megabyte. Okay, it comes with a number of megabytes. Right? Okay. So this data used was beyond the include the 2 gigabyte. 2 gigabyte is 1 gigabyte is 1024, 2 gigabyte 2048 megabyte. Okay, so we're gonna find by some equations in terms of megabyte. Okay, that's why we switched into megabyte. The customer wants to keep their monthly bill less than $30. It's gonna be less than or equals $30. That's it. Okay. So which inequality represent total the maximum data that the customer can consume without exceeding their budget. Okay, it should be less than these numbers. So what is that? $15. Okay, up to what? Up to 2048. Okay, if they use more than this 2048, you have to pay additional $0.1 for every megabyte. Okay, that's why over here. Additional used megabyte is how much? X minus 2048. Right? And then also you can use the graph over here. Over here, that is $15 up to 2 gigabyte, 2048 megabyte. Same price. After this, if you use more, you have to pay 10 cents each megabyte. The slope is 10 cents, right? 0.1. What's the equation of this one? This one, right? Because what you can use the slope formula. This is 2. When 2048, it is 15. So we're gonna find what the equation of this line. Okay? Or you can use what's a point slope, right? Point slope looks like this. Y minus y1 equals slope times x minus x1. Okay, so y minus y1 is 15. That is equals to slope is 0.1 and times x minus x1 is 2048. And the plus 15. That's the right cost. By should be less than $30. So that's what less than or equals 30, right? That's the inequality, okay? So which one is equivalent to this? Yeah, option C is exactly, right? Same as this. All right, here we go, number 6. We have a quadratic equation. What is the value of x minus 1? That's keyword, okay? X minus 1, not asking x. X minus 1, this is x minus 1 terms, another x minus 1 terms. So we're going to go shortcut. That is better. Let this is large x. Large x is a little x minus 1, okay? I'm going to replace this large x squared minus 10x and plus 25 in terms of a large x. This one can be factored. Large x minus 5 square equals 0. So large x value equals to 5. That's the answer, okay? This is 5. Here is number 8. Here's the keyword. There are 10 marbles. 10 marbles. 4 red, 3 blues, and another 3 green. So you draw one marble and it's red already. Okay. This not belongs to probability, right? We tried already. So one marble out and now we got what? 3 red. Okay. That's the situation. That is second stage. From your second stage, we draw a second marble. What is the probability? Okay, apply here probability up to on this second stage. Okay, not first stage. What is the probability that the second marble is also red? What is it? We have only 3 chances out of 9. Okay, that's this. Here we go. Number 10. In the system of equations above A and B are constant, the system has different many solutions, which of the following is the value of A plus B. Where is A plus B? Here and here. This is keyword, infinite solutions. That means that these two lines are overlap or in coincident, right? To be coincident, it satisfies the equation. A over 2 must be equals 3 over B and equals 15 over 10. 15 over 10 is 3 over 2. It should satisfy this condition. Then they are coincident. What is the value of A from here to here? 2 equals equal, numerator must be equal, right? So A equals 3 and down over here. 3 equals B is 2, okay? So A plus 2 is 5. Option D is the answer, okay? Right side of your number 12. A bookstore is ordering a batch of 2 types of books. We have this keyword, hardcover and papercover. Hardcover book costs what? $15 each. That is $15 each. The unit price. It should comes with a variable, right? Okay. Another one is over here, cheaper than hardcover, $8 each. The bookstore plans to order a total of 50 books. X represents the hardcover, Y represents paperback. How can bookstore owner create an equation to calculate total expenditure? The total cost of it in terms of X. Okay, in terms of, we don't need Y, okay? Now replace with X. What is that? Y equals what? 50 minus X, is total is 50. So now let's find total amount, okay? 15 times X. And times 8 times Y is 50 minus X. That is total amount. So 15X and plus 400 and minus 8X. So this is it, right? Total expenditure. So how much is this? 15X minus 8X is just 7X and plus 400 or 400 plus 7X. Option C is the answer, okay? That's the number 12. Here is the number 14. So we have an equation, right? Over here. The equation is true for value of x, right? The equation is true for all value of x. What is the value of b plus c? You're going to find the value of b and c, right? The easiest way is what? You don't have to expand this one, right? Take a look at left hand side. All terms have a common factor x. X is out. So x squared plus bx and plus c. That equals to x times x minus 4 squared to x minus 8x and plus 16. But this is already right equals, so inside the parentheses must be right. Identical, they must be equal. So what is the value B? Negative 8. What the value C? 16. Okay, keyword over here. B plus C, not B times C, something like that, okay? So B plus C is what? 16 plus negative 8 is 8 is this, okay? That is number 14. Here is number 16. What is the value of sine angle A? Angle A over here. But when you take right around this angle, there's not many data, right? Only this opposite side. So you may have some other idea. Yes, find out equal angles, congruent angle. This angle, isn't it? If this is angle A, this is angle B, we know that angle A plus B is 90. So this is 90, this is angle A plus B is 90, angle A plus B is 90. So these two angles are congruent. Now let's find the sine A. This is also sine A, right? What is it? 9, 12, this is 15, right? The right triangle triplet. So the value of sine angle A equals 9 over 15. So 3 over 5 is the answer, okay? All right, here is number 18. A function f has property that is point A and B on the graph. Okay. Another point, A plus 1 increased by 1 over here, right? But y increased 3 times. Also on the graph, when you take out options for A, B, C, they are exponential, right? And the function must be exponential functions. By increased by 1, that is 3 times. Okay? If this is the A and B increased by 1, A plus 1, that is 3B. 3 times whatever increased by 1, that is 3 times. And this is what scale factor, right? That is growth factor. 3 times. Which one is 3 times? This is geometry, right? Yeah, 3. This base number is 3. That is what? 3 times increased. Okay? All right. Or you can plug this number in the equation. First, we can check out this. When x is A, y is B. Y is B when x is A. 100 times 2 times A, right? Okay, the next one. When x is x plus 1, 100 times 2a plus 1. But this time 3b over here. You should satisfy both these two. Because they are both on the same graph. This one equals how much? 3b equals 100 times 2 times a and another 2. Isn't it? 2 times 1, right? When you divide it by 3, yeah, equals b equals 100 times 2 to the a. This is 100 times 2 to the a times 2 thirds again. They are not equal. You can check it out this way. Okay, try number C. B equals 100 times 3 to the a. 3b equals 100 times 3 to the a plus 1 is by 8 times 3 to the 1, right? That is a plus 1. When you divide it by 3, we got exactly same number, okay? B equals 103 raised to a. Second one is B also 100 times 3 raised to a, okay? So choice C is this. But it takes time, right? If you know the right express function increasing or decreasing is a geometric sequence, is that they act right, exactly the same, okay? Here is number 20. So x minus 2 equals x squared minus 10x plus 25. Another x plus the same factors there. What is the sum of the solution to the given equation? Find keyword over here. Sum of the solutions. Okay. What is that? Move to the right. Factor, right? X plus 2. That is the original. X plus 2 is a common factor. But inside the parentheses is x squared minus 10x plus 25 minus 1 is plus 24, isn't it? 25, this is 1 minus 1, okay? That is equal to 0. Can you continue factor? Yes, it is. X minus 4, x minus 6 equals 0. So x equals negative 2 and 4 and 6. They are all solutions. When you add them all, that's going to be equals to 5, right? So 8 is the answer. Or you can solve this one in the given expressions over here. 2b equals x possible x minus 2, right? Or if this is 1, always equal x plus 2 equal x plus 2, okay? You can solve this way too. So let's solve this one, x squared minus 10x plus 25 equals 1 is minus 1 equals 0, right? It's actually same this factor, okay? But this is better, I think, to avoid confusion, okay? Okay. Which equation is most appropriate quadratic model for data in scatter plot? When you make the line over here, approximately, the graph is open downward. This is not open downward. These two open downward. But we're going to check it out. Maybe use the vertex is better, right? That's better, a good idea. So when x is 3, vertex of y coordinates is 3 and 6. That means the graph will pass through at this point. Check it out. When y equals 6, negative 3 squared is 9, plus 3 times 6 is 18 plus 3. That is equals to what? 21, that is 12, right? That is far away from number 6. Okay, the next one. 6 equals negative 9 plus 18, but at this time it's minus 3, right? Negative 12 plus 18 is positive 6. Very close to this number, right? That is the best answer. Right? Option D is the answer, okay? Here we go, number 24 here. Here's the keyword, linear functions. And there is transformation, which is what? Translating, right? 5 units down. Okay, 5 units down. What value of x result in g of x equals, what does that mean? For some value of x, it's going to be 0. Y coordinate 0. This means what? You're going to find the x-intercept of g of x, right? Okay, how can you find the x-intercept? You better find the equation of f of x. The slope is how much? 18 minus 12 over x2 minus x1, 4 minus 2 equals 6 over 2 equals 3. That is the slope. So y equals 3x plus b. Now we're going to decide the value of b. When x, smallest number, right? When x is 2, y is 12. 3 times 2 is 6 plus b. b equals 6, isn't it? The equation over here, y equals 3x plus 6. This is f of x. What is g of x? 5 units down, minus 5, right? So y equals 3x plus 6 minus 5 is a plus 1, right? That is the equation of g of x. You can write down g of x equals 3x plus 1 something. So what is the x-intercept? Value of y equals 0. 0 equals 3x plus 1. So x equals how much? Negative 1/3. Okay? That's the answer. Here we go, number 26. Compute the ratio of managers to supervisor. It's 2 to 5. I'm going to use in the ratio form, okay? So managers and supervisor equal 2 to 5 equal 2 to 5 here. The ratio of supervisor to workers is 720, right? Supervisor to workers, that is 720. From here, what is the ratio of managers to work? Managers to work. How can you find this form from here? M is here, W is down here. When you multiply these two, M over S times S over W, S is cancelled out, you got the M over W, right? Okay, multiply these two. 2 over 5 times 7 over 20. This is 1, this is So 7/50, right? That's the ratio. So 7/50 is the answer. Or you can find the same number of s. We have this is s is over here, this is s. 5 to 7 different number, we're gonna make it equal. Times 7 over here. Times 7, 14/35. Times 5 is what? 35/100. These numbers, same numbers. Now we connect. When m is 14, w is 100. That's true, right? 14/100. That is what 7/50. Okay? You can solve it this way too. Okay, that's all today. Okay, so I'm gonna see you in next video with test 11 module 2. Okay, remember. Okay, don't forget to go over the tips. Tips is very important. Okay, I'm gonna show you one more time. Okay, tips is over in the book front. There are many tips. Okay, so make some plan to finish all these 63 tips. This is very important. Okay, all right. So I'll see you in next video. Okay, thanks so much. You have a good night.